As a black man born into a Christian family, I've always wondered why we desperately clutch onto a religion brought by the Colonial Masters. Christianity offers us the God of the slave and colonial masters, which is the white Jesus. David Livingstone was one of the several European missionaries who spent the best part of their lives to bring Western Christianity to the African continent. These involved brutal daily cycle of exploitations, countless killings, imprisonment, and sexual abuse, which is of course slavery as we know it. This is Christianity. Christianity commenced as a Jewish cult in the Middle East and later spread across Africa. In the 4th century, Christianity was adopted by Roman Emperor and later dominated by white Europeans who pushed it aggressively into Africa through the use of colonialism and also imposed the image of Jesus as white. All of these gave birth to the mind and mental slavery of the black man who desperately believes in the baseless hope offered by the biblical fictions and orchestrations. Christianity today has absolutely sabotaged Africa, where the growth of poverty is on the rise and its people constantly sold false hope by preachers in exchange for cash. Surprisingly, the Bible does not condemn slavery, but in fact, it simply condones it. So it makes me wonder, why are we as black folks, why are we hell-bent on serving the white Jesus? It's mental slavery, it's mental entrapment that stems from the period of slavery. And unfortunately, this is gone from generation after generation to generation after generation, which the colonial masters and the generations after them are using to control the black man.